Do you love to get away from the crowds and hike off the beaten path? Do you enjoy pushing past the boundaries of civilization? Do you like to immerse yourself in the charm, the awe, and the beauty of nature? If the answer is yes, then this is a place that you're probably going to enjoy. Welcome to Murray Falls. Murray Falls are the centerpiece of an amazing, little-known hidden paradise found at the Cherry Bend Recreation Area, Arkansas. To reach them, hikers have to take a steep, winding trail down the mountainside, towards the riverbed at the bottom. Wildlife is abundant here. Snakes and black bears have both been spotted on the trail, and in the summer, these woods are infested with spiderwebs, sometimes with one web encountered for every 5 feet covered on the trail. But the end product is well worth the effort expended, the magnificent Murray Falls. The marked trail leads you to the top of the falls. Access to the bottom of the falls is possible, but not easy, as the sides of the riverbed are very steep. You just have to be really careful, especially because many sections of the trail have no cell phone or data signal to call for help if you get hurt. In addition to Murray Falls, the area is dotted with multiple smaller waterfalls, all along the flowing river. It was truly an amazing sight to behold. Thank you so much for coming along for the drone flight. But the show's not over yet. Up next, I'm going to share some footage and pointers from my actual hike to the waterfall, just in case you're interested in trying it. Stay tuned if you'd like to come along. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying my content, as well as clicking on the notification bell if you'd like to be alerted every time I produce a new video, usually about once a week. Again, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy the walkthrough of the hike. The 0.7 mile out and back trail begins at the Cherry Bend Trailhead, about 20 miles north of Ozark, Arkansas. Early in the trail, there's a fork. Turn right at the fork, away from the wrecked car. It's a steep, moderately strenuous trail. I wouldn't recommend it for people with physical impairments. There's plenty of wildlife present, including bears and snakes. In the summer, there are large spider webs every few feet apart, so that's just something to keep in mind. Once you reach the bottom, you'll see a beautiful clear stream. Don't cross it. Instead, follow the trail to your right. Bring plenty of water and don't forget to save precious energy for the steep hike back up.
Adelántate tú, Mauricio.
You're gonna need it. The trail will soon bring you to the top of the gorgeous Murray Falls. Senyard Falls are also visible slightly to the right. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.